Let's learn how you can find and use secret hack for Monopoly Go. So let us start by opening our browser. It can be Safari or Google or anything you're using. And you just want to type in robotcoupons.com. So it should appear this site. And now basically let me redo everything. So it should look like this. You just want to open the first one, and on search you want to type Monopoly, and just go make sure you click dice game. So this should be your page right now, and here you can see how many coupons are left, so it's limited. And now you want to select what kind of reward you want. So I would like to take this one, for example. This pop-up will appear. You want to unlock the code. Don't take higher one because it can ban you. So this is the safer. And now you should just download and stay in applications for like 30 seconds. So download these two. It will redirect you directly on App Store, so it's safe. Don't worry, you are not downloading any viruses. So now you just want to get the application, stay on it for like 1 minute, and you will get free cash or free dices, whatever you chose. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.